in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about disabling clipboard communication between your Chromebook device and your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook web browser if it's not already open. And then you want to select the menu icon up at the top right, go down and select Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security, and then on the right side underneath Privacy and Security, select Site Settings, and then expand underneath Additional Permissions, and then go down and select Clipboard. Where it says Don't allow sites to see text or images on your clipboard, go ahead and select that, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.